What if I told you there's a cloud storage that doesn't track you, doesn't sell your data, and lets you pay with crypto instead of monthly subscriptions? At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how to get 100 gig worth of storage for free. Hello guys, it's your one and only candlestick preacher guiding you through the ups and downs of finance one candle at a time. Today, we're diving deep into Lofty, a privacy-first file storage platform that's challenging iCloud, Google Drive, and Dropbox with blockchain technology. We are looking at something that bridges the gap between traditional cloud storage and decentralized web. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Traditional cloud storage has major problems. The first is privacy. Apple iCloud, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, they all track your activity, they know what files you upload, they can access them, and they can use that data they have gotten from your storage for advertising. Second, recurring cost. These subscription fees add up very fast. $10 there, $20 there, and before you know it, you are paying hundreds of dollars annually.
It's frustrating.
And the third one is control. Your data lives on their server, under their terms, and they can change prices, change policies, or even shut down your account without your approval. But what if I told you there was a better way? The Lofty app. Lofty Drive is positioning itself as a privacy-first alternative to traditional cloud storage. But here's what makes it interesting for us crypto folks. Instead of monthly subscriptions, you connect a crypto wallet and get 10 gig free storage immediately. Want more space? You pay with USDC and that's it. No recurring fees, no tracking, no surveillance. Stay with me and I will tell you how you can get 100 gig for free. So, everything is encrypted end-to-end before it leaves your devices. This means Lofty can't even see your files. Now compare that to Google Drive or iCloud, where your data is used for advertising and AI training. The Lofty platform integrates with any crypto wallet, supporting the broader Web3 ecosystem that we are all building towards. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, and this is where it gets really interesting. The platform uses blockchain technologies for payments and possibly storage management. And the sweet thing about this is that you are paying with USDC, which is a stable coin, which means transactions are on-chain and they are transparent. But here's the key question on everyone's mind. Is this truly decentralized storage like Filecoin or Storj? For my research, it appears to be a hybrid model. They are using blockchain for payments and authentication, but the storage itself might still be centralized. So think of it as Web 2.5 bridging traditional cloud storage with crypto payments and privacy features. So it's not fully decentralized, but I think it's a step in that direction. The end-to-end encryption means your files are scrambled before they leave your computer. Only you have the key to unlock them. So where does this fit in the market? We've got three main categories of storage. Traditional cloud. iCloud, Google Drive, Dropbox, they are easy to use, but privacy concerns and subscription costs are an issue. Then there's fully decentralized platforms like Filecoin, Storj, SIA. Maximum decentralization, but it's complex for average users. And now we have hybrid solutions like Lofty, which uses crypto payments, focuses on privacy, and is still user-friendly. It prioritizes privacy-conscious users who understand crypto but don't want the complexity of decentralized system. So think of crypto enthusiasts who still want their storage to just work and also store memories. But there's a challenge. You need to understand wallets and USDC. So this immediately excludes users who aren't crypto native. So before we talk about the trick, let's be real about some concerns here first. Firstly, it's a relatively new platform. I couldn't find extensive user reviews or performance metrics. So for something as critical as a file storage, that raises a red flag for some individuals. And second, there's also limited technical documentation. We don't know how exactly decentralized this really is. So I felt like the transparency could be a bit better. Then the third one is the crypto barrier to entry. Your non-crypto friends and family who don't know much about crypto aren't going to connect a wallet for cloud storage management. So this limits the mainstream adoption. But here's what I find really promising, which is the privacy first. The privacy-first approach is very genuine, which there's no tracking, no data mining, no advertising, and that's actually rare in today's digital landscape. But from investment and innovation standpoint, this is very interesting because we are seeing the early stages of Web3 infrastructure replacing Web2 services. Cloud storage is a massive market. Hundreds of billions are spent on it annually. So if platforms like Lofty can solve the experience or user experience problem while maintaining crypto benefits, it has huge potential. But then, the key word is if. They need to provide reliability, build trust, and somehow bridge the gap between crypto-native users and mainstream adoption. And the fact that they are using USDC is a smart move because USDT is stable, is widely accepted, and doesn't have the volatility concerns of other cryptocurrencies. So, what's my take on Lofty? I think it's a solid concept if you ask me, which addresses real problems with traditional cloud storage. The privacy-first approach, crypto payments, and no subscription model are genuinely appealing. But it's in its early days, and the lack of user reviews and technical transparencies can raise concerns. So I recommend testing it with their free 10 gig if you're curious, but maybe don't just put your critical files there yet till there's more information on the project. And as promised, I'm going to show you a quick trick to get up to 100 gig worth of storage. So every wallet has more than 20 addresses. So you create each Lofty account with a new address, which gives you multiple storage space. So imagine one address gives you 10 gig each. So when you do that to 10 addresses, you get 100 gig. So there you have it. What do you think? Are you ready to switch from Google Drive to crypto power storage? Or do you think we need fully decentralized solutions like Filecoin instead? Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. And as always, stay volatile.